Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to block any website on your Android device. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, you will need to open your Play Store and search for this app, AppBlock. So you will need to install the app to device, and after that open the AppBlock app, and it will ask you to allow permissions. So you have to allow permissions for this app, and not upon add something to block. Here you will need to select webs because we are going to block any website, and now you can select any website from this list, or you can manually enter the website name here. For example, I want to block Discord, so I'm going to type in here discord.com and tapping on save, and make sure to turn on this. And here you can see I've successfully blocked Discord. Now I'm gonna opening a browser and typing here discord.com, and here you can see Discord is blocked. So that's how we can block any website on Android device. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.